Right now, as you are watching this, someone just became a millionaire. Not through luck, not through inheritance. They used a tool that you probably have on your phone right now. That tool is artificial intelligence. Most people see AI as a threat, a job killer, something from a sci-fi film. But a small, smart group sees it for what it truly is. The single greatest wealth creation opportunity of our generation. Let's cut through the noise. What is AI? Forget the killer robots and super complex code for a moment. Think of it like this. AI is your new super smart assistant. It's a tool, but not like a hammer, not like a screwdriver. This tool can think, it can learn, it can create. Imagine hiring a team of experts, a writer, a researcher, an artist, a business strategist. Now that we know what AI is, it's just as important to understand what it isn't. The media loves to spin tales of doom and gloom. It is a sophisticated pattern-matching machine. The revolution we're living through is not just about the power of AI, but its accessibility. The most important skill is not programming, it's communication. To make money with AI, you need to understand its core capabilities. We can boil it down to 4 key powers. Think of them as the 4 horsemen of AI wealth. The first is automation. The second horseman is creativity. The third horseman is scaling. The final horseman is prediction. That gives you a crystal ball for your business. Section 4, Maria's story, from freelancer to six-figure CEO. Let me tell you a quick story. It's about a freelance graphic designer named Maria. For years, Maria was stuck in the classic freelancer trap. She was talented, but her income was capped by the number of hours in her day. She would spend hours on a single logo design for a client, go through endless revisions, and at the end of the month, she would barely have enough to cover her bills. Then Maria discovered AI. One sleepless night, she decided to try an AI tool. She typed in a simple prompt describing a logo concept. In less than a minute, the AI generated a dozen visual ideas. They weren't perfect, but they were a starting point. The ideas sparked new connections. She realized AI was a junior designer and a brainstorming partner. Section 1, the new gold mines, 4 paths to AI wealth. There are 4 main territories where wealth is being generated at an incredible pace. The first path is offering AI services. It's about becoming a skilled operator, a digital artisan who can wield these powerful tools better than anyone else. The second path is creating AI-driven products. This is where you move from selling your time to selling a product that can be sold over and over again. You build something once and let AI help you produce and sell it at scale. Theory is useless without action. You now understand the opportunity. It's time to move from spectator to player. We are going to focus on a clear, sequential, 3-step plan. It will take you from zero to your first AI-powered income stream in just 90 days. Step 1 is to learn. Pick one single AI tool and master it. Step 2 is to build. Use that tool to create a small, specific paid offer. Step 3 is to scale. Validate your offer and get paying customers. Use AI to automate and systemize the process. Your journey begins with a single, focused choice. You must pick one AI tool and commit to mastering it. The biggest mistake people make is trying to learn everything at once. Let's say you pick ChatGPT. Here is your micro task list for the first 7 days. Day 1, choose your tool. Day 2 through 3, watch 3 high-quality tutorials. Day 6 through 7, find an online community for that tool and read what the experts are doing. After 30 days of intensive learning, you have a valuable skill. Now it's time to turn that skill into cash. In the next 30 days, your single objective is to create a small paid offer and get your first customer. Day 2, choose the idea and define your minimum viable offer. Smallest, fastest result you can sell. Day 3 through 4, make a 1-page offer document. Use Google Docs. Day 5 through 7, find 10 potential clients. Find people or businesses in your niche and send a personal, direct message or email offering your service. Getting that first dollar is a monumental psychological victory. You've learned a skill. You've built an offer. You've made your first sale. You are now officially in business. The final step in our 90-day plan is to scale. Transition from doing everything manually to building a system that works for you. Day 1, map your entire process from finding a client to delivering the final work. Identify the most time-consuming repetitive tasks. This is your AI-powered workflow. Use an AI tool to scan job boards for relevant leads. Use another AI tool to draft personalized outreach emails. You should be tracking revenue per hour worked. If you made $100 for 10 hours of work in month 2, are you now making $500 for 15 hours of work in month 3? By the end of 90 days, you will have a proven offer, a system to deliver it, and the foundational skills to repeat the process. You have laid the first stones of your empire. We began this journey with a bold claim. AI is creating millionaires right now, and you have the opportunity to be one of them. We have cut through the hype, busted the myths, and laid out a clear, practical playbook. We have mapped 4 new gold mines: AI services, AI-driven products, AI-enabled businesses, smart AI investing. This is not science fiction. This is a real-world revolution happening today, May 24th, 2024. The true value is the 3-step blueprint for your first 90 days. Your path from observer to participant. Step 1, learn one tool and master it. Step 2, build a small paid offer and get your first customer. Step 3, scale by building systems and automating your work. Urgency is real. The window is wide open now, but won't stay that way. Your immediate move, start step 1, today. Choose your tool, dedicate 30 minutes to learning, begin the journey. Do not wait for the perfect moment. It will never arrive. The perfect moment is now. You have everything you need to build your slice of the future. You have the roadmap. You have the first step. Remember the shock of the opening, the idea that someone right now just became a millionaire using these very tools. That person wasn't special. They just started. They took the first step. Now, the choice is yours. Will this be another video you watched, or the day you started building your empire? Get step-by-step guidance, templates, community support. Subscribe to invesYou. We are here to help. The AI revolution is here. Will you have the courage to become one?